All right, got the Israeli Military Industries Desert Eagle 50 Action Express. I got some hand loads that I put together. So these are 300 XTP Hornady. I'm using Vihtavouri N110 powder. The brass is once fired Hornady. The weight I'm using of N110, I did the starting charge 25.3 grains. Overall length is 1.5 3/4, and a pretty good looking round. My primer Federal match large pistol, so I didn't have any magnum, but I'm gonna shoot a couple of these and see what it does to my target here, and also if I get good powder burn with these large pistol primers that are not magnum. So I'm gonna load 3 of them. Hope I can hit the target, hopefully starting with a lower charge will help me with the recoil on this sucker. So we'll get this guy loaded up. See right there, loads, safety's on, hammer is back. I got one in the chamber. Put my eyes and ears in, and I'm gonna get back at least maybe 30 yards. And hopefully not embarrass myself too much. Desert Eagle grip here. Thing is quite the monster, and always packs a punch. Woo! Man down. Well, let's set that sucker up again. All right, going about 40 yards. First shot, my initial impression was, man, what a smoothie. What a real smoothie. You know, that light load on the N110, notice I'm not saying H110. It recoiled far less than I imagined. So, I don't know, what am I at now? About 30 to 40 yards. Let's see if I can get a shot on target. There you go. Right side. Really hoping I can find the damn brass. Got no warnings from the primer. Looks like my powder at least burned pretty well. Brass looks otherwise good. So I'm gonna call that load a success. All right, 6 rounds, same load. And I am a lefty, so my southpaw ways. Woo! Lost my target again. And I think I limp wristed a bit there, but it looks like I have a failure to feed. Now I'm not 100% sure about this magazine. It looks like my magazine is giving me just a bit of trouble here. This is, I think, an aftermarket job. Let's see if we can hit the gong. That's probably 80 yards, and that's gonna take a real piece of work for me to hit that. Miss slightly to the right. One more, huh? Woo! Got him. Those rounds all function flawlessly. The magazine locked back. Now I gotta do a little gobbling. Launched my damn target. As you can see here, I got a pretty good shot there. And by the way, this is the SS101 AR 500 steel. I have a video on this, and 50 cal, I can't even feel any pitting. So I mean, I was pretty far, but normally they recommend 50 yards. So pretty resilient little sucker doodle. Look where the legs went. But that's my fault. I'm not, this land is really hard here, and I didn't bring the right shovel. So there's the impact. 50 cal, about 80 yards. These AR 500, what is this, Viking steel gong system, held up pretty well. Thanks everyone for watching. Please like and subscribe.